We big ballin' now. Gotta do it like the YouTube vloggers. Someone just rang my doorbell. And I come out here and I got a package. It's from Armor Coat Products. I was expecting some stuff from Amazon, but I kind of forgot. Somebody hit me up on Instagram to try something, and it's here. What's up, Whiskey? Watch the knife, you gonna cut yourself. Oh, there's another box. Oh, somebody has to hold the brown box. Whoa. All right, we got it out. All right, got some microfiber towels here. Hey, they're not for you, dude. Get out of here. And I got all kinds of squirt guns. Got the Advanced Coating Ultra Wash and Wax Soap. I'm gonna use this on the truck and the razor. We got Plastic Shine and Protect. Oh yeah, appreciate it, guys. What we got here? Oh, mud repellent sample. Oh, this is that good they were talking about. I don't know if that's supposed to be a secret or not. And then we got the ceramic quick detailer. They hooked me up. I like how they send you all these bottles, but then they got the squirt guns too. We got more Plastic Shine. What else we got? Which one is this? Quick Clean Multi-Purpose Cleaner.
Same thing.
And Shine Coating. That must be like the stuff you spray on the razor. Help keep mud from sticking. We gonna rock the shit out of this stuff. And we got a sticker. Appreciate it, guys. Can't wait to test it out. Kind of windy out here, but let's see what we can do. So they told me to just kind of coat the whole machine with this after rinsing it. That's supposed to make getting the mud and stains off easier. I'm not a professional detailer by any means, so I don't know if I'm doing this right. Alright, we're gonna let that sit for about 5 minutes and then we'll come back and rinse it again. Oh yeah, make it soaky, baby.
Here we go.
Is. I don't know if you can tell from the GoPro, but it is really getting off a lot of that grime. Like there's a little bit left, but Day 2 trying to wash my damn turd. My pressure washer actually ended up breaking when I got back from my daughter's soccer game, so I had to buy another one. $100 at Home Depot. But I also ended up going riding Saturday night, so I had to re-rinse it, and so here we are again on step 2. I got the spray gun. I recommend y'all don't buy the cheapest foam cannon on Amazon. It doesn't always give me what I want. There it goes. Oh yeah. Nice soapy, baby. Measurements on here. Filled it about right there to hot water, and then up to there with soap. So 5 ounces of soap. I'm sure you could put more if you wanted to, but that's all I put in there. Now let's take one of these and just fucking scrub the whole thing down. I think it's time to take all the stickers off.
Invincible.
Alright, so I got it washed down pretty good. I scrubbed it, hit it again. I ain't gonna lie, man, my razor ain't looked this good in a while, man. Kind of letting it dry off. I guess we got 2 options here. We can either hit it with the aerosol version of Shine Coating, or we also got the plastic Shine and Protect. I'm running out of daylight, so I think I'm just gonna go with this guy for this go around. Help keep mud from sticking. That's that magic stuff we want. Stuff smells like candy, man. Y'all think it's good? Should I? It smells good. It smells like candy.
Can I put that on my Jeep?
It smells like bubble gum.
Can I put that on my Jeep?
On the tires and the plastics?
Can you go do that? I like it.
No.
It smells good.
Wife approves of the smell. Alright, so on the inside, I'm gonna spray this door jamb, that door jamb. We're gonna do the dash, the glove box, this little compartment, all the switches. Fuck it. Get up here. Not gonna do the steering wheel or the grab bar. This is still a little wet, but we'll go ahead and hit it. And I'm gonna skip the floorboards. I don't really like when they're all slippery. Sure got a lot, man.